you're a person who would like to cook idli and sambar every other day as much as you love your Kanchivaram saris, then here at Design Cafe, we'll help you design something as sleek and classy as this, but with the sensibilities of a South Indian kitchen. For example, here we have a tandem drawer with the perfect internal solution to store your thali plates. And why not suggest you an oil pull-out right next to your hob so that you can pull out your coconut oil just on time. Now this kitchen is completely finished in lacquered glass, black and cream. As you can see, it's completely seamless and handleless for the drawers. Now if you're a person who always had to wear heels to access your overhead units, then we have something really cool for you guys. For example, this straight lift up here, extremely easy to use. Or like this really cool unit here where you pull down the bottom portion and the top portion is taken care of.